Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Rima, whose heart was as beautiful as her smile. She was deeply in love with her boyfriend Arjun and believed he was her everything, her joy, her dreams, her entire world. However, Arjun was not what he seemed. He was a deceitful man, one who preyed one woman's emotion and wealth, using love as his bait. Rima was his latest victim, blissfully unaware of his true nature. One day Arjun asked Rima to meet him at the seaside. He told her he wanted to spend the rest of his life with her. For Rima, it was the most beautiful moment of her life. She arrived with the stars in her eyes and dreams in her heart. But Arjun had other plans. He lured her with false promises and, at the right moment, betrayed her. He murdered her in cold blood and threw her body into the depth of the sea, where her dreams and love vanished with the waves. Arjun felt no remorse for his actions. He was confident that Rima's story would end like those of the other women he had betrayed. But this time he was wrong. Rima's spirit did not find peace. Instead, it became one with the sea, rising and falling with the waves, desperate to seek revenge for her unjust death. Days passed and a strange thing began to happen in the seaside village. People claimed to have seen a ghostly figure near the shore at night, drifting with the waves. Fishermen spoke of hearing a woman's sob, threatening to capsize their boats. The village elders whispered of a spirit of a lover betrayed and murdered by her beloved. One night, Arjun returned to the same seaside spot. This time he was with another girl, yet another innocent soul. He was trying to entrap with his false charms. Suddenly, an eerie silence fell over the place. The air grew cold and the sea waves became strangely calm, as if anticipating something dreadful. The girl noticed the fear in Arjun's eyes and nervously asked, "What's wrong? Why are you so scared?" Arjun ignored her question, trying to calm her, but he was trembling inside. His eyes kept darting back to the spot where he had thrown Rima's body into the sea. Then suddenly the wave began to rise and a wet, shadowy figure emerged from the water. It was Rima's spirit soaked in seawater, her eyes burning with rage. Rima's ghost extended her hand towards Arjun. His legs began to shake and he slowly backed away. But the more he retreated, the more he was pulled toward the water. With a chilling scream, Rima's spirit spoke, "You took my love away from me. Now I will take your life." Arjun tried to plead for forgiveness, but his voice was drowned out by the crashing waves. He felt an unseen force pulling him into the ocean's depth. Stumbling, he tried to abandon the girl and flee, but Rima's spirit caught him. The next morning, the villagers found Arjun's lifeless body lying on the shore. A strange expression of terror was attached onto his face. No one knew what had happened to Arjun that night, but it was said that Rima's spirit had finally found some peace. Yet her ghost still lingers by the seaside, searching for other deceivers like her treacherous lover. People now say never to go to that seaside alone, especially if your intentions are not pure. For Rima's spirit still roams there, always looking for her next prey.